Okay, I just want to go through a quick run through and open this order here, but I'm kind of in a rush because I'm opening it because I'm in the middle of making my hemp and patchouli soap, and I don't quite have enough cocoa butter. So I just want to get this open to get the cocoa butter out, but I thought I'd just do a really quick run through of what I have in here for products. Careful, my knife here. Just so you can see what I use in my soap. This is a lot bigger order than that last video I did. And at least they don't have all kinds of those little wee styrofoam things. This has a lot bigger items in it. So I think I'm going to take the box off of here and just take these out one at a time. Okay. That's an awful small bottle. Small one. Usually I get the great big containers. Why did I just get the 1 kg? And that's shea butter as well. Why did I just get 1 kg? That doesn't make sense to me. Oh, because I got 3 kg. So I got 3 kg of the crude bonnet shea butter. And this here is ethically sourced from the women over there who do it up. It's verified EcoCert. So this here is crude because it's not refined at all. So that means all the nutrients that come in this are still in it. It's not taken out. It's not refined. There's still a little bit of everything in there. And I like to maybe take the cover off of this just so you can see what it looks like. See that? And smells beautiful. So that's the shea butter. Usually they send it in the 3 kg bucket, so I was kind of surprised to see it in separate buckets, but I like them buckets. They're kind of cute. I'll use them for something, that's for sure. Okay, and there's the cocoa butter. Now, I think the reason I just one cocoa butter is because I usually get it somewhere else. So I just did one to do me over till I order it from this other company. There's another company I ordered this from as well. So there's the cocoa butter there. That smells wonderful. Smells just like chocolate. So this here particular cocoa butter, it's pure, prime pressed crude. That's crude as well. That's why you can smell the chocolate so good. Now this here originated in the USA. And you can see that's verified EcoCert as well. Okay, cocoa butter. This is the castor oil. That's castor oil. This is extra virgin, so that means everything that stirred it with, it ended with it. So this is what I use. This puts lots of bubbles in the soap. So that's the castor oil. Hemp seed oil, unrefined. If you notice, I have a picture. Well, you'll notice this is really green colored, beautiful green. So that's the hemp seed oil. There's the avocado oil. This one is refined. That's the avocado oil. Now, these little buggers here are hard to get into. Oh, they're hard to get off. Okay, there's the sweet orange essential oil. I get that in the 500 mils. Now that I open that up, that would just smell amazing. Usually, sometimes I save this here bubble wrap because I use it to wrap my honeybees and oats out to make it look like kind of like a beeswax on it. But I have all kinds of that right now, so I'm not too worried about saving it. But I do reuse this stuff. I know it's plastic, but I do reuse it when I'm packing orders, if I have to. Pine Scotch essential oil, bergamot essential oil, that comes from Italy, that comes from Hungary. Now these are 100% pure essential oils. They have no carrier oils in it whatsoever, and that's something you have to be really careful about when you're purchasing essential oils. A lot of them do have carrier oils, like at Walmart, for example. You can buy a bottle for $4 something. Well, there's carrier oil in that, and there's a test that you can do. So you know, there's lemon. That's from Argentina. Whole wood. That's from China. There's another big one here. This is probably another one I needed today. This is the light patchouli essential oil. That comes from Indonesia. So you know these are all high grade. I get certificates on every one of these. I know everything there is to know. I know how it was made. I know the specific gravity on it. That's the way I convert it from milliliters to gram. And I'm going to do a post on that because I think anybody that's making soap probably, that was always a problem for me. Usually I had an empty bottle and weighed it, but there's a way you can do it that's really easy, and I'll do a post on that sometime. You know, the specific gravity of the essential oil. So you get all those. There's Lang Lang, number 3. That comes from Madagascar. Okay, there's nothing else in the box, but I thought I had another. Maybe not. Cats drive me crazy. Okay, so that's it for today. This is the order. Whoops, careful, Lori. Anyways, I'm not going to lay them all back down again. They're just going to roll around. Okay, you thanks for watching, and have a naturally nice day.